Can you still use expired oil for cooking?
Hello viewers! Today, we're diving deep into the pantry to answer a common question. Can you still use expired oil for cooking? Stay tuned to find out the implications and considerations.
What happens when oil expires?
Over time, cooking oil undergoes various chemical changes. The fatty acids in the oil can break down due to exposure to light, heat, and air, causing the oil to go rancid. When this happens, taste and smell. The oil develops an off or stale smell, and the taste can be quite unpleasant. Nutritional value. The nutritional quality of the oil may diminish. Safety. Some believe that repeatedly consuming rancid oils can be harmful in the long run, but occasional consumption is generally not considered immediately dangerous.
Can you cook with expired oil?
Technically, you can use expired oil for cooking, but there are a few things to consider. Flavor. If the oil tastes and smells bad, it's going to affect the flavor of your dish. Nutrition. You're likely not getting the full benefits the oil originally offered. Health. While not immediately harmful, it's best to avoid ingesting something that could be rancid. If you decide to use expired oil, 1. Test first. Do a small taste and smell check. If it's noticeably off, it's best to toss it. 2. Use sparingly. If the oil seems okay but is just past its expiry, use it sparingly and consider mixing it with fresh oil.
How to store oil properly?
To maximize the shelf life of your cooking oil, store in a cool, dark place. Use airtight containers to reduce exposure to oxygen. Keep away from direct sunlight. Rotate your oils, using older bottles before newer ones. In wrapping up, while expired cooking oil isn't necessarily a health hazard, it's often best to prioritize quality and flavor in your dishes. If in doubt, replace the oil. We hope this video has been insightful, and remember, the nose knows, always trust your senses. Stay safe and happy cooking!